In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bolt.new to Stripe. The first thing you need to do is open your project in Bolt.new. In the top menu, click on the More Options button. From there, you'll see a section called Integrations. Click on Stripe integration to add payments to your project. This allows you to create subscriptions, one-time payments, and other payment features. Once you click on Stripe integration, you'll need to paste your Stripe API key. To find it, go to your Stripe dashboard. On the Stripe page, click on the Settings icon. In the search bar, type Developers, then select Developers API keys. This will take you to the page where you can find your publishable key and secret key. If you don't have one yet, click Create Restricted Key. Now you can give your key a name and configure what it can access. Once you're done, click Continue and Stripe will generate your new key. Copy it, go back to Bolt.new and paste it into the Stripe API key field. After pasting your key, click Retrieve My Products. This will load your Stripe products and subscriptions directly into your Bolt.new project. You can then choose a product, for example a monthly subscription, and click Apply Selection. Your Stripe setup will now be linked to your site. And that's it! You've successfully connected Bolt.new to Stripe and added payment functionality to your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tech and website tutorials.